So in this video I'm going to show you that how to see blocked people on Snapchat. So let's jump into the video. So what you need to do first is go to on Snapchat. After going to Snapchat, what you need to do, I'm going to show you, I'm going to block some people. After that I'm going to show you that how you can see that you have blocked people list. So I'm gonna block this person. You have to click on this and click on manage friendship, block. Okay, right after that you have to click on the your profile picture like that. Please subscribe this channel and leave a like this video if this helped you. So what you need to do next is click on the settings option in the top right corner. After that you have to scroll all the way down. Okay, after scrolling you can see here is an option blocked users. You have to click on blocked users. Then here you can see the person I have blocked just now is here. So this is how you can see blocked list on your Snapchat. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe this channel.